Too many storms have passed your way, and you're all washed out, 'cause it rained on your parade. Seems nobody cares about you anyway. Now you're living your life like a castaway. Search for strength inside, was it all in vain? 'Cause the deeper you dig, you find more and more pain. Don't let your tomorrow be like yesterday, 'cause I spoke to God, I called out your name, and on your behalf I just asked if he would be there for you. I want you to be blessed. Don't live life in distress. Just let go, let God. He'll work it out for you. I pray that your soul will be blessed forever in his presence. You deserve his excellence. Enter a place where you never have to cry, never have to live a lie, never have to wonder why, never want for nothing. You're always satisfied in the peace that his arms will provide. He will erase any guilt or shame, any bad habit you got. You won't want to do them again. Yes, we all can change. I can testify. See, I spoke to God, I called out your name, and on your behalf I just asked if he would be there for you. I want you to be blessed. Don't stress out. No, 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 no. He'll work it out. Yes, he will. For you. My prayer for you today is that your soul will be blessed forever in the rest of God. You deserve the rest of God, nothing less. Oh, my prayer for you today is that you trust and always obey. On his name, keep calling. He'll keep you from falling. Yes, he will, if you stand in faith and trust him to make a way out of no way. Be blessed. Stop stressing about it. Just turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it over. Work it out for you. I pray that your soul will be blessed, so that you can sleep in the rest of God. Yeah. You deserve it. You've been through so much. Be blessed from the bottom of your feet to the crown of your head. Your life be blessed. Your family be blessed. Your finances be blessed. Everything about you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Give it to Jesus. Give it to Jesus. Let go, let go, let go. And let God do a work in you, in you, in you, in you. Oh, be blessed. Oh, be blessed. Whatever you're going through, just know I'm praying for you. Be blessed. Oh, be blessed. He can change your situation in a minute. Just be blessed. Don't do anything that God would not have you to do. Be blessed. but it sure could be a lot worse. Just be blessed.